Hello, little one. My name is Nahla. Today, we're going to learn how to spell the names of some farm animals. I'll show you the animal and then we'll spell its name together. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's Clara the cow. Do you know how to spell cow? Let's spell it together. C-O-W. Cow. Now let's spell cow again. C-O-W. Cow. Well done. Cows give us milk, so it's a word worth remembering. Next up is Penny the chicken. Let's spell chicken together. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Now let's try spelling it again. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs, and now you've got their name down perfectly. Here's Percy the pig. Let's spell pig. P-I-G. Pig. Let's do it again. P-I-G. Pig. It's short and simple, just like Percy's adorable snout. Great work. Now we have Sally the sheep. Let's spell sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. One more time. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Did you know that Sally's wool is used to make warm clothes? Isn't that cool? Here's Henry the horse. Let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Let's try it again. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Henry is strong and fast, and now you know how to spell his name perfectly. Say hi to Daisy the duck. Let's spell duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. One more time. D-U-C-K. Duck. Ducks love to swim, and now you've mastered spelling their name too. Here's Gary the goat. Let's spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Let's spell it again. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goats are great climbers, and now you've climbed the mountain of spelling their name. Finally, meet Max the dog. Let's spell dog. D-O-G. Dog. One more time. D-O-G. Dog. Max works hard to keep all the animals safe. And now you know how to spell his name too. You did an amazing job learning to spell today, little one. We spelled cow, chicken, pig, sheep, horse, duck, goat, and dog, twice each. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for watching, little one. See you next time for another adventure.